Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, 17th chapter, text 33. Tad adharma bandho dharmena satyena cha vartitavye brahma varte tatra danti jagye jagyeswaram jagya vidana vigya. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Therefore, O friend of a religion, you do not deserve to remain in a place where experts perform sacrifices according to truth and religious principles for the satisfaction of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Parikshit Maharaj says to Kali, isn't it? Repeat translation. Therefore, O friend of irreligion, you do not deserve to remain in a place where experts perform sacrifices according to truth and religious principles for the satisfaction of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Jagyasura, or the Supreme Personal Godhead, is the beneficiary of all kinds of sacrificial ceremonies. Such sacrificial ceremonies are prescribed differently in the scriptures for different ages. In other words, sacrifice means to accept the supremacy of the Lord and thereby perform acts by which the Lord may be satisfied in all respects. The atheists do not believe in the existence of God, and they do not perform any sacrifice for the satisfaction of the Lord. Any place or country where the supremacy of the Lord is accepted and the sacrifice is performed is called Brahmavarta. There are different countries in different parts of the world, and each and every country may have different types of sacrifice to please the Supreme Lord. But the central point in pleasing Him is ascertained in the Bhagavatam, and it is truthfulness. The basic principle of religion is truthfulness, and the ultimate goal of all religion is to satisfy the Lord. In this age of Kali, the greatest common formula of sacrifice is the Sankirtana Yajna. That is the opinion of the experts who know how to propagate the process of Yajna. Lord Chaitanya preached this method of Yajna, and it is understood from this verse that the sacrificial method of Sankirtan Yajna may be performed anywhere and everywhere in order to drive away the personality of Kali and save human society from falling prey to the influence of the age. Jagyeswara Jagya. Kali is friend of irreligion, Adharma Bandhu. Therefore said, Adharma Bandhu. Here this sloka says, Na vartitavyam tad adharma bandho. Oh adharma bandho, you are friend of irreligion. Kali means pap. Irreligion means pap, sinful activity. Understand? So this is Kali Yuga. Kali is very influential. You understand? Adharma bandho, no dharma at all. Therefore, mostly in many countries in the world, the government has accepted, what is that? Secular state. Dharma nirupekya. Dharma nirupekya. Secular. No particular dharma. What is one's dharma? That, all right. Isn't it? Some concocted dharma one has thought of. All right, yes. We, secular state, we cannot. That is his dharma. Isn't it? What is the nonsense? One Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami, Prabhupada Maharaj, went to, in Medinipur, went to a school and asked the headmaster, please allow us, we will speak. And Supreme Lord, do you understand? You follow how he will be pleased. What is the Yajna, understand? But he was not allowed. No, 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 no. Our country is secular state. Dharma nirapekha rashtra. Understand me? Here are followers of many dharmas. Hindus are there, Muslims are there, Christians are there. So many are there. How can you speak about only Hindu dharma? So, no, I am not speaking Hindu dharma. I'll speak what is real dharma. No, no, no. There is controversial points. Quarreling over it, fighting over it. Mohammedan Hindus fighting. This and this dharma followers fighting. So we should not allow. We will not allow you. Do you understand? It is not allowed. They don't know what is the real dharma. You have gone to desert. There is no water. You see only mirage, isn't it? In the desert, look like water, isn't it? Look like very nice sparkling water. Oh yes, there is. It's very thirsty. Thought is past. Where is water? Where is water? Where is water? No water. Desert. Mirage is only visible. Look like. Very nice sparkling. Oh, here water. Runs. Cannot get it. So, you have been cheated, Baba. You have been cheated. Only showing the mirrors, you think it water and you run behind it, you cannot get it, you are cheated. Then you drew conclusion that there is no water. What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? There is no water? One should not inquire. What is true water? You have been cheated. You don't know what is real dharma. So there are different controversial points, different opinions about dharma. So we should not inquire what is real dharma and we should not speak about dharma. What is that? He said like that. You understand my point, what I am saying? To what point I am hitting? Understand? Understand? You have intelligence, you should understand. What point I am hitting? What is the dharma nirapekha rashtra? Secular state. What is one's nonsensical dharma, one conquers that dharma? You have seen only glowworm, Papa. Glowworm. Understand glowworm? What is that? Creature? Some light comes out. Glowworm. Then you catch a glowworm. Oh, light coming out. Touched it. Oh, where there is light, there is no burning sensation. You draw that conclusion. Where there is light, there is no burning sensation. You draw that conclusion. You have seen only glowworm, Baba. You have not seen the real fire. Then you draw that conclusion where there is fire, there is light, there is no burning sensation, no burning. What is this nonsense? Quarreling there over the topic of dharma, different opinions are there, controversial point. Therefore, we not to discuss about real dharma. Speaking, what is that? Nonsense. Understand me? He says like that. Bhakti Siddhanta. Here he says, what is real dharma? Atma dharma, Jaiva dharma, dharma of the soul. Sarva dharman paitejya mamekam saranam brata, abandoning all varieties of dharma. You have conquered so many varieties of dharma. Abandoning all varieties of dharma, just surrender unto me. Dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Dharma comes from whom? Dharma mula hi bhagavan sarva vedamaya hari. Sudhanidhi. Dharma mula hi bhagavan sarva vedamaya hari. Bhagavata says. Prabhupada says here. Supreme Lord, central point of pleasing, sacrifice to please Supreme Lord, central point pleasing, asserted in Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam. What Bhagavatam says? धर्ममूलई भगवान सर्ववेदमय हरि धर्म्यं तु साक्षात् भगवत प्रणीतम न वै विदुषयो नापि देवा असुर मनुष्या कुतो सिद्ध असुर मनुष्या कुतो नु विद्याधर चाणादय 6 canto Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam speaks about it. Puranam, spotless proof, spotless Purana. भागवत जे नाम आने जवन सम तार शास्त्रा छे जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु जम. Don't accept Bhagavad Mritsa Jaban. Is to be punished by Jamaraj, not one life, life after life. That the Prabhupada says is ascertained in Bhagavatam. So, Bhagavad says, Dharma Mulai Bhagavan Sarva Vedamaya Hari. Sarva Vedamaya Hari is the source of Dharma. Dharma tu Sakyat Bhagavad Panitam. Supreme Lord says in Gita, Dharma Sansthapanarthaya Sambhavami Juge Juge. Every millennium, every Juga I descend here to establish Dharma. That is Bhagavad Dharma, Parama Dharma, Supreme Dharma, Sanatana Dharma, Atma Dharma. Understand? It is not Hindu Dharma, Muslim Dharma, Christian Dharma, Dharma of the white man, Dharma of the black man, Dharma of this country, Dharma of that country, European Dharma, American Dharma, Indian Dharma, Japanese Dharma, Chinese Dharma, Australian Dharma. No, such Dharma. It is a universal Dharma. Universal Dharma. Dharma for all jivas. Atma Dharma, Dharma of the soul. Yes. So, we should not discuss about Dharma. No, don't discuss. Our secular state. You don't know. Baba, you have been cheated. Sing mirrors. You said there is no water. Sing a glowworm. Where there is light, there is no burning sensation. What is this nonsense? Do you understand? Understand Sudhanidhi? Adharma bandho, kalija adharma bandho. So, there is once one such news came out in paper, newspaper. Do you understand? One sannyasini was there. Sannyasini. Understand? Sannyasini? Sannyasini. She was always remaining naked. Naked. Understand? Somehow she committed some crime, some criminal activity. Then sued in the court. It's called to the court. She said, all right, I'll go naked. Then court said, no, how can you come to the court naked? Oh, this is my dharma. And this is secular state. Yeah, nobody can interfere in one's dharma, secular state, whatever one dharma, that's good for him, we'll should it. She had given advocate. Her advocate said, that is her dharma. Then you violate what's a constitution. Constitution, Then the advocate are fighting. This side advocate, that side advocate. What is this nonsense? Come naked to the court, that is my dharma. Then at last they decided, yes, that is dharma, it is secular state, we should not interfere. She may come naked, but there will be some great screens will be there. Only his head will be visible, no other part will be visible, she may come. Nonsense. What is this nonsensical dharma? They follow. Yet here say, oh, friend of irreligion, this is Kali Yuga. Only irreligion, no true religion is there, therefore the government saying about the secular state, dharma nirapikyo, real dharma you cannot discuss, Baba. Yes, making laws. Nonsense. Because Kali is ruling Kali. Kali is Chela. Followers of Kali, they never follow. Principle of dharma, never follow the Bhagavad Dharma. Here it says Jagya. Experts perform sacrifice according to truth and religious principles for the satisfaction of the Supreme Person Godhead. You don't deserve remain in that place. You are adharma bandho, friend of adharma. Kali Yuga means adharma. Irreligion, pap. Kali means fighting. Kali means quarreling, fighting. Dambha, map kati. Dambha, pride is measuring rod. Understand? It's Kali. Adharma, irreligion, pap. All are committing sinful activities, consciously or unconsciously. And the measuring rod of this Kali Yuga is Dambha. Understand? Dambha? Pride. Dambha darpa abhimanasya krodha parusumye cha ajnana chabhijatasya partha sampada asuri. Isn't it? Gita. Read Gita, Baba. Gita padho. Quote Gita. Siddhanidhi. Yeah, Gita is the first book. First book is Gita. Prabhupada stressed on Gita, isn't it? He stressed on Gita. Yes, that is first book. First. Everything is there in Gita, but first book Gita, yes. Dambhadarpa abhimanasya krodha parusumye cha ajnana chabhijatasya partha sampada asuring. 16th chapter, isn't it? Isn't it? 16th chapter. Daivasura sampada yoga. 16th chapter is reading. You cannot say. Yeah, Daiva, Asura. Divine characteristic, demoniac characteristic, isn't it? Daivasura. These are demoniac characteristics. Dambhadarpa vimanasya krodha parusumye cha ajnana chabhijatasya partha sampada asuring. Pride, arrogance, conceit, harsh words, ignorance. These are the demoniac characteristics. Do you understand? The Kali Yuga, demons, or nobody following real dharma, only adharma, and Kali is adharma bandho, friend of religion, pap. Therefore Parikshit Maharaj says, you do not deserve to remain in a place where experts perform sacrifice according to truth and the religious principles, satisfaction of Supreme Personal Godhead. There is no place for you. Isn't it? Because pride is the measuring rod, Dambha in the Kali Yuga. Yes. Everybody thinks, hum bada hai. Yeah. Isn't it? Aditya Singh says, I am great, I am bada hai. Bhakta says, what? Tum bada, hum bada hai. Then fighting begins. Fighting began. Yes. Quarreling. Yes, this is Kali Yuga. Isn't it? Nilapita says, hum bada hai. Yeah, you are hum bada hai. Ananta says, what is that? Tum bada, hum bada hai. Then fighting began. Ishwardas says, hum bada hai. He stood up and said, hum bada hai. Then fighting, quarreling. Two men are quarreling. Two groups are quarreling. Countries are quarreling. States are quarreling. Societies are quarreling. Communities are quarreling. It's called quarreling going on, isn't it? Everybody, every group says, hum bada. It's such age. Kali Yuga. Adharma bandho. This says, adharma bandho. We are friend of a religion where pride is measuring rod. Quarreling, fighting going on. What is? Then where is auspiciousness? Where is the real religion? Truth, Baba. Therefore, in this age, Kalau tat hari kirtana. Kalau tat hari kirtana. Harer naam, nameva kevalam. Kalau nasteva, viranya. Kali Yuga, there is no other way. Harer nameva kevalam. Only take shelter of Harinam. Do you understand? Nam Jagya. Kalau tat hari kirtanat. Do you understand? That is the real Jagya. Sankirtan Jagya. Isn't it? Real Jagya. Varieties of Jagya are there. Varieties of Jagya. Gita says, read Gita, Baba. Bahuvida Jagya. Bahuvida Jagya Vitata Brahmana Mukhe. Gita says, Krishna says, Bahuvida Jagya. Varieties of Jagya. Said in Veda, isn't it? Brahmana Mukhe. Brahmana means Veda. Huh? But what is real Jagya? Prescribed Jagya for Kali Yuga. Harer Nam, Harer Nam, Harer Nam, Eva Keva. Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Katirana. There is no other way, no other way, no other way in Kali Yuga. Harer Nam Eva Kevalam. Only take shelter of Harinam. This is the only Jagya. That's why you will please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Experts performing sacrifices against truth and religious principles, satisfaction of Supreme Lord. You cannot remain. Where the Sankirtan Jagya going on, Kali cannot remain there. Is Adharam Bandha. Jagya should be there. Gita says. Bola. What Gita says? 18th chapter. Jagya nana sapakarama. Na tajyam karjam eva tat. Jagyananam tapassaiva pavanani manishinam. Go to Gita. Sudhanidhi, what can you do? Read Gita. Daily read. Yes, very minutely read, understand. Prabhupada has stressed on Gita, isn't it? All his speech is based on Gita. Yes, isn't it? That is needed for you. Yes, you need this thing only. You cannot such higher things now. Read Gita first. Yes. I laugh. Jagyanam tapakaramam tajyam kajyam eva tat. Jagyananam tapassaiva pavanani manishinam. 18.5 Gita. Read translation. Yes, bring your Gita. 18th chapter, 5th verse. Read translation. What Gita says. 18.5 Jagyanan sapakarma na tajyam karjameva ta jagyananam tapassaiva pavanani manishana. Find out?
Yagyadana tapakarma
Na tajyam.
na tajyam kanyameva tat yagyodanam tapaschaiva
Pavanani manishana. Yes, read translation.
Acts of sacrifice, charity, and penance are not to be given up,
Not to be given up. Yes.
but should be performed.
Yes.
Indeed, sacrifice, charity, and penance purify even the great soul.
The good soul, that cannot be given up. That's so much sacrifice, Jagya, Dana, Tapa, Karma. For the welfare of human society, what type of Jagya is required should not be given up. In Kali Yuga only Nam Jagya is required. That cannot be given up. That is all welfare, the spaciousness for human society. And that should be recommended by Supreme Lord, Supreme authorities. And it is recommended. Sankirtana Jagya Kalautat Harikirtanath, isn't it? Every Juga, Juga Dharma, Juga Avatar is there, Juga Dharma is there, isn't it? Krute Adhyata Vishnu Tretaya Ajate Makhi Dvapari Parichaya Jayang Kalautat Harikirtanath. This is prescribed Jagya, Dharma, isn't it? Kruta Juga means Satya Juga, Dhyana. Treta Juga, Jagya, just a Makhi. That is Jagya, fire sacrifice, Swaha, Swaha. Do you understand? Offering of blessings, fire sacrifice, pleasing of demigods, different types of Jagyas are there. Do you understand? Dvapari Parichaya Dvapara, opulent deity worship. Kalautat Harikirtana. Kali Yuga only Harikirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. This is Krishna's own words. Yajnana tapa karma no tajyam kajyam eva tad yajnana tapasya pavanani manishana should not be given up. Isn't it? This is prescribed by Supreme Lord, is the will of Lord. This is bhakti, this is the will of Lord. This is prescribed yajna, one should not give up. Do you understand? Kali Yuga, one yajna is prescribed only, that is Nam yajna, Sankirtana yajna, isn't it? Other yajnas are, per se, not recommended. Not recommended in Kali Yuga. Do you understand? Only Nam yajna. Do you follow? So, Gita, 3rd chapter. By that yajna, if you do Nam yajna, what will happen? Kali means Papa, irreligion, adharma bandho, friend of a religion, Kali, Papa. Consciously, unconsciously, everybody is committing sinful activities, isn't it? How the sinful reactions will be destroyed if you perform yajna, prescribed yajna, isn't it? And this is prescribed yajna in Kali Yuga Harinama. That is stated in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sankirtana haite papo sansara nasana. Sankirtana haite papo sansara nasana. Chitta suddhi sarva bhakti sadhana udgama. Chitta suddhi sarva bhakti sadhana udgama. Krishna prema udgama prema mruto aswadana. Krishna mruto aswadana. Krishna prapti premamruto samudre majjana. Krishna prapti premamruto samudre majjana. This stated Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sankirtana hoite pap sansar nashon. Understand? If you do Hari Sankirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Bahurminitva Sankirtana. Understand? Many devotees will assemble together, congregate and chant loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. This congregational chanting, loud chanting, understand? Thereby, papa sansara nasana, all sinful reaction will be destroyed. Alright? That's your duty. Arrange grand Sankirtana, procession, jatra. Purify the whole world, yes. Kali Yuga, yes. All are committing pap. Consciously, unconsciously, understand? Yes. How will it be? Destroyed only by Sankirtan. Yeah. No other means is that is a prescription prescribed. It should not be given up. Then comes Chitta Suddhi Sarva Bhakti Sadharudgama. Chetadarpanam Arjanam Bhavamaha Davagni Nirvapanam Sreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandam Buddhivardhanam Pratipade Purna Mrita Swadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Mahaprabhu Sikastaka, first verse. Do you understand? If you do fire sacrifice, do you understand? Havan, Swaha, pour ghee, flame come out. Isn't it? Yesterday we were doing fire sacrifice. Swaha, flame coming out. So you do Sankirtan Yajna, so flame will come out. Isn't it? No? He said no. Yajna, question Yajna is there, fire is there, flame is there, Baba. You have no eye? Sudhanideva, how can you do Sankirtan Yajna? Are Baba, how can you do? He said, no. Are you blind? Don't be blind, Baba. Open eye. Open eye. See how flames are there. Here in Sikhastaka, Mahaprabhu said, 7 flames coming, Baba. 7 flames. Can't you see 7 flames? Chetadarpana marjanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam Vidyavadhu jivanam Anandam buddhi vardhanam pratipade Purnamrita aswadanam Sarvatma snapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtan. 7. 7 flames coming out. Sapta jiho sankirtana yajna. Understand? Sapta jiho. 7 tongues coming out. 7 flames. Understand? First is Chetadarpana marjanam. Here is a chitta suddhi. Heart will be cleansed of all sinful reactions, material contaminations. How the heart will be cleansed? So much filth accumulated there in your heart. So lakhs of lives accumulated like a Himalayan mountain, isn't it? I will be cleansed up. Any scientist knows, any means has given any material scientist. You may clean the outer body. Or scientists, medical science, or what you say? Doctors, some stool is accumulated there in your, what is that? Intestine. They give you this. Enema, then clear. Stool is clear. They know this thing only. They don't know how to clear the heart. Do they know? They don't know, Baba. They don't know how to clear the heart. So much filth. Dirty things are accumulated there. So many lives, lakhs of lives. Like Himalayan mountain, Ishwardas. Great mountain is there in his heart. How to be cleansed? By Sankirtana, Chetadarpana marjanam, chitta suddhi. First flame is chitta suddhi. Understand? Chetadarpana marjanam. This is first flame of Sankirtana. See, if I see the flame, how flame is coming out. First flame, chitta suddhi. Isn't it? Sapta jiho. 7 tongues of that Sankirtan Yajna fire comes out. First is chitta suddhi. Dupala. It cleanses the dirty heart, filthy heart. Do you understand? Completely purify all material contaminations. Second, Chetadarpana bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. Second thing, second flame. It extinguishes mahadavagni, wild forest fire. Worldly fire. Do you understand? All are burning here. Isn't it? What do you say? Sansāradāvā nalalīḍa loka Trānāya karunya ghanāganastam Prāptasya kalyāna gunārnavasya Vande guru sri charanaravindam. Sansāradāvā nala. Are you not burning? Worldly forest fire. Everybody is burning, isn't it? Everybody is in a frying pan, isn't it? Frying pan, Baba. Ananta is not burning? Yes. Everybody is in a frying pan, Baba, burning. Sansara visa nole diva nisi hiya jole judaite na koi nu paye. Who sings? Narottam Das Thakur sings. Sansar visa nole diva nisi hiya jole judaite na koi nu paye. Day and night, this Davanola, Sansar Davanola, like forest fire, all are burning, all are in the frying pan. My heart is burning. 3 types of heat are there. Adhyatmika, Adidaivika, Adibhautika. This is heat. Intense heat, burning. जुडाइते ना कहिले उपाय. You don't know how to extinguish this fire. Huh? Do you understand? संसार दावा नललीड लोक त्राणाय कारुण्य घना स्तम प्राप्तस्य कल्याण गुणान्नवस्य वन्दे गुरु श्री चरणारविन्द. Go to that Guru. Huh? They are devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who has dedicated his life in this Saptajiho, seven-flamed Sankirtana Yajna. Understand? Sudhanidhi. They cannot understand. What Sankirtana he will do, Baba? I tell him, do Sankirtana, he don't understand it, Baba. He said, no flame. Blind man, blind fellow. Blind fellow. No vision at all. Seven flames coming out, such great sacrifice Yajna, you said no I'll put you in that great sacrifice. Let you be burnt up. Then come out nice Sudhanidhi. Then you'll do Sankirtan. All right? All impurities may burnt fast. Yes. It's not gone. Yeah. How can it do? Huh? Bolo. Can he do? He said, no, he can't do. I'll put you in this great fire. Yeah, then all impurities will be burnt. Then pure Sudhanidhi will come out. Then he'll do Sankirtan, Bad Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Ram, Hare. So, first flame is that, it is Sansara Dhabanolo, extinguishes the worldly fire, forest fire. Nobody sets fire in the jungle. Anybody sets fire? No. It comes out by rubbing up to pieces of wood. Then whole forest is burning. How it will be extinguished? Telephone, fire brigade officer, cring, 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 great fire, come out with your, what do you say? Fire brigade. If they come and pour water, can they extinguish it? No, Baba, no, they cannot extinguish. What is needed to extinguish? This Krishna Sankirtana, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. This is such outpour. Such outpour. That will extinguish this forest fire, worldly forest fire. Do you understand? Isn't it? Chettadarpana marjanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. If Indradeva will be merciful and pour such heavy downpour, then the forest fire will be extinguished. The fire brigade person cannot extinguish it. Understand? This is forest fire. All have been burning here. Three tapas. Adhyatmika, Adhidaivika, Adhibhautika. Heart is burning, isn't it? Frying pan, I'll be extinguished. If you do Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. The Guru that who has completely dedicated himself through this Saptajiho, seven-tongued Sankirtana Yajna, completely dedicated. Go to such a Guru, Baba. And take to that process of chanting Hare Krishna, do Sankirtan, then the fire is extinguished. The second flame. Chetadarpana marjanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. Third is Sreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. Scorching heat of the sun during daytime, summertime. When day gone, evening came, cooling moonshine comes. So cooling, isn't it? So cooling. Nice. Soothing, isn't it? So after when this fire is extinguished through Sankirtana, Harinam Sankirtan, the heart, burning heart, this is soothing balm to the burning heart, afflicted heart. Do you understand? Krishna Nama, Krishna Katha. Understand? Krishna Nama Kirtan, Krishna Katha Kirtan. Understand? Nam Kirtan, Katha Kirtan, isn't it? We are doing Kirtan, Jagya. Yes, this is Jagya. Bhagavata Krishna Katha Kirtan, Nam Kirtan, yeah. It's not Jagya, not fire coming out. Yeah, you find so much heat is there, generated. You chant, dance, speak Krishna Katha, Virjavati Krishna Katha, so potential, like a roaring lion speak. It's not meow, meow, meow. Krishna Katha is not spoken like that. Like a roaring lion, yeah. Sadam prasangan mama virja samvido bhavanti hrudkarna rasayana katha. Tadjusarasu apavarga vartmani sraddha ratir bhaktir anukramisyati. Kapiladev says, Bhagavata third canto. Sadam prasangan mama virja samvido. Virja samvido, this word is significant. Virja samvido means very potential. Yes. Speaks Krishna Katha, so strong like roaring lion. Such potential is there. It produces great heat, fire, Baba. Jagya. Understand? It's Katha Jagya, Bhagavata Katha Jagya, Hari Katha Jagya, Hari Nama Jagya, all Jagya. Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitranam extinguishes this worldly first fire, then soothing balm. Here he says, central point is pleasing, him is ascertained in Bhagavatam. Understand? Central point is, he is pleasing, Supreme Lord is pleasing, that's certain in Srimad Bhagavatam. You understand? Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kabibhiritam karma sapam. Srimadatatam bhuvi gunanti de bhuridajana. Oh Lord Krishna, your kathamrita, your nectarian katha, is soothing balm to the afflicted heart. Heart is burning, isn't it? Tapatrayo bisan vale, divani sihyad vale judaite na koi nu paye. Narottam Das Thakur says, day and night, you are burning, your heart is burning, afflicted three tapas, adhyatmika, adhidaivika, adhibhautika. You are not making any effort how to extinguish it. What is the remedy for it? Soothing balm, Krishna Kathamrita. Tava Kathamritam Tattva Jivanam. Understand? Oh Lord Krishna. Your nectarian Katha is soothing balm to the afflicted heart. Tattva Jivanam. Understand? Sravana Mangalam Srimadatatam. If you hear Bhagavata Katha, Krishna Katha from the bona fide source Vaishnava, that is soothing balm to your afflicted heart. Do you understand? Sravana Mangalam, all auspicious. Kalmasapaham, all kalmasa, sinful reactions will be destroyed. Kalmasapaham, Srimadatatam, Kabibhiritam, Srimadatatam, Bhuvi Gunanti De Bhuridadana. Kabi, one knows it, one is very expert. This verse says, where experts perform sacrifice. Yes, this verse says experts. Kabi means expert, Lakya. Understand my language. Try to understand me. Who is very expert? Presenting, performing the sacrifice. Knows the art, knows. He speaks Krishna Katha. He speaks Krishna Katha. He performs this Jagya. Krishna Katha Jagya, Hari Katha Jagya, Hari Nam Jagya. Do you understand? Kavi Viheditam, Karma Sapam, Srimadatam, very potential. Bhuvi Gunanti De Bhuridadana. Throughout the world they go out and perform this Jagya. Hari Katha Jagya, Krishna Katha Jagya, Krishna Nam Jagya. Do you understand? What they are giving, Baba? Great charitable persons, isn't it? Great charity. Bhuvi Gunanti De Bhuridadana. Anybody gives such charity? What they give? This worldly forest fire is extinguished. Afflicted heart is soothing balm for the afflicted heart. Huh? Then you'll get peace, bliss, joyfulness. Such a thing. Huh? Do you understand? Kairava chandrika vitaranam, third flame. Huh? Chetadarpanamarjanam, bhavamahadavagnirvapram. Third thing is Kairava chandrika vitaranam. Such peacefulness comes, soothing balm. Huh? Namjagya. Understand? Third flame. Huh? Then vidyavadhu jivanam, fourth flame. Huh? This is the life of vidyavadhu. Understand vidyavadhu? Huh? I explained. You have not heard? Are Baba. Vidyavadhu jivanam. Vidya means education. Do you follow? Vidya means education. Huh? Spiritual education. Do you understand? Real vidya. Joro vidya, material education. Or vidya. In essence. It's not vidya. Do you understand? Understand? All material education going on is by name of vidya, but it's not vidya, it's avidya. Huh? That is avidya, in essence. Huh? Getting that vidya, what happened? One who gets this material education in so many colleges, universities, he becomes very puffed up, proud, isn't it? Sruta. Huh? Janmishwarja sruta srivir. Edhamana madhapuman. Naiva ratiya vidhatu vaito ginchana gocharam. Kunti Devi says. Huh? Isn't it? Sruta. Sruta means one who gets this material education and gets so many degrees from so many universities, MA, PhD, doctorate, MRS, FRS, so many degrees. He is very puffed up, proud. Isn't it? He is not humble at all. Vidyam dadati vinayam. If you get real education, that spiritual education, not material education, then one becomes humble. Vidya vinaya sampanne, brahmani gavihastini, suni chaiva sopatecha pandita samadarsina. Gita says, read Gita, Baba. Vidya vinaya sampanna. Isn't it? One who acquires real education, spiritual education, Krishna bhakti, vina vidya nahi yaar. Raya Ramananda said. When Mahaprabhu asked this question, Vidya madhye kon vidya sar? Raya Ramananda answered, Krishna bhakti vina vidya nahi yaar. What type of vidya is it? Best vidya, education. Raya Ramananda said, Krishna bhakti vina vidya nahi yaar. Krishna bhakti is the best type of vidya. Understand? Education. That we impart. It's not avidya, it's not a material education, it is spiritual education. Understand? One who gets, how is? He is not puffed up and proud. Trunadapi sunichina. He is trunadapi sunichina. Vidya vinaya sampanna. Vidyam dadati vinayam. If you have gotten real education, naturally you become very humble. No puffed up, no pride. Understand me? But material education one who gets, he is very puffed up, proud. Isn't it? No vinaya. He is puffed up, pride. No humility. No humbleness is there. Thinks, I'm great. I'm great learned scholar. Keshav Kashmir, I was saying that thing other day. Isn't it? Who has acquired material education only. It's so puffed up, proud, challenging. Came to Nimai Pandit crushed his pride. Finished. Understand? Therefore getting this material education, boys and girls become very puffed up and proud. Isn't it? No humility at all. Is that humility? Humbleness? No, puffed up pride. I'm great. Yes. I'm a FRS, PhD, doctorate, this and that. I got this degree from Harvard University, this university, that university. Shameless. Do you follow? Vidya badhu. But one acquires real education. Vidya bhagavata badhi. We impart real education when we speak Bhagavata. That is the limit of Vidya's bhagavata badhi. You understand? Spiritual education. He becomes humble. Trunadapi sunichina, Mahaprabhu said. He thinks himself more, humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. Isn't it? No pride. That is the chastity, bodhutva. Understand my word? Vidya badhu. This badhu word is very significant. Vidya badhu jivanam. Name, Krishna Nama, is the life of Vidya badhu. Do you understand? Real Vidya, there is chastity. Badhutva means chastity. Understand? Material education, no chastity. Asati vidya, this satitva is there. Do you understand? He is very humble. Badhu means literally newly wedded girl. Newly wedded, girl, newly wedded, gone to father-in-law's house or mother-in-law's house. How? Vedic etiquette, how? He puts veil on his head like this. Do you understand? Goes this way. Never topless, sleeveless dress, high heel, galloping like mare. Ladies, girls, getting this material education, isn't it? Yes. Topless, sleeveless, what you say? Dress, high heel, galloping. Tap, 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 tap. No chastity, no chastity. No bodhutva. This vidya has no bodhutva, no chastity. The real vidya, education, bhakti, that's chastity, vidya, bodhu, jivanam. Name, this is fourth flame, isn't it? Counting flame. You can see no flame. This flame is coming out. Sapta jiho, seven flames, Baba, 7 tongues. Fire, Jagya, Nam, Jagya, Hari. Param Vijayate, Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Isn't it? Vidyavadhu. It makes one very humble. Therefore Mahaprabhu says, Trinadapi Sunijina. Much humbler than a blade of grass. Where is pride? No pride at all. Understand? Is very lowest of the low and the lowest of the low. This is real education. Do you understand? If you chant pure name, it will become humble. Vidyan dadati vinayam. Vidya gives vinaya. Vinaya means humbleness. Avidya, pride. Understand? No chastity. This material education is not chastity. This is real education. Is a chastity. Humble. Vidya vadhu jivana. Chetadarpana marjanam bhava mahadhavagni nirvapanam sreya kairavasan kapitaranam vidya vadhu jivana for the plane. Then, anandam buddhi vardhanam. Fifth plane. Anandam buddhi vardhanam. It increases the ocean of joyfulness. Anandam buddhi. Buddhi means ocean. Understand? Anandam buddhi vardhanam. It increases. Ananda, ocean of ananda, ocean of joyfulness, Baba. Understand? Fifth flame, Then, anandam buddhi vardhanam pratipade purnamruta swadanam. Every step you relish amruta, nectar. Namamrita. Understand? Namananda Sankirtana party. How can you lead it, Baba? Sudhanidhi. Understand my point, First you have to relish it. Then you can distribute it. Mahaprabhu did it first, Isn't it? Mahaprabhu chanted, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Surrounded with the devotees. Look at the picture. How Mahaprabhu chanting, intoxicated with that nectar, completely intoxicated. He is relishing and distributing. You taste, Baba. This is Mahaprabhu. He is not selfish. He tasted and distributed. Yes, this is Mahaprabhu. Understand? That's the Namananda. He gets Ananda by chanting Hare Krishna and tasting the Namamruta, nectar emanating from holy name. Understand? And distributing. You taste. And all are coming, oh, nice taste. Do you follow? Anandam buddhi pardhanam pratipade purnamruta swada. Every step you will, pratipada, padakhepa, every step. You will taste that nectarian mellow coming out from holy name. Understand? That is sixth flame, isn't it? Then Sarvahatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtan. Sarvatma, all souls, not one Atma. This is congregation all chanting, spreading throughout the world. Baba, throughout the world, yes. Sarvatma Snapanam, all jivas, all souls will be, what say? will get this soothing balm. The fire of burning, fire will be extinguished. I will get peaceful, blissful become. That's soothing balm. Understand? Sarvatma Sravana. Not one Atma, all Atmas. These are 7, isn't it? 7 flames coming out from this Yajna. Now you see, eye is opened now. Is opened now. His eye is opened now. Now Path says, no, I can see. 7 flamed. This such a Yajna, 7 flames coming out, 7 tons coming out. Guru, one who has completely dedicated himself, sacrificed himself in that 7-tongued, 7-flamed Sankirtan Yajna, go and approach such a Guru. Yes. Understand. Then you will get it. Understand? Yeah. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada Maharaj says, I have sacrificed myself. Do you understand? This body, Jaradgava, this nasty body. I have sacrificed this body, completely myself, my body, my mind, speech, everything, whatever I have. On this 7-tongued Sankirtana Yajna, I have sacrificed it. The Guru has done so, so go to him, approach. Understand? Then you can see how flames are coming out or spreading. Understand? This Sankirtan Yajna. And this says the same thing. Sankirtan hoite paap sansar nasana chitta suddhi sarvabhakti sadhana udgama. This Nam Sankirtan will go on. Then fasting, papa sansara nasana, sinful reactions will be burnt to ashes, destroyed, chitta suddhi, heart will be purified. Then sarva bhakti sadhana udgama, bhakti will be generated, bhakti sadhana udgama, Krishna prema udgama, then you will develop Krishna prema, mukhya pathe jiva paye, Krishna prema dhana, niraparadhenam loile paye prema dhana. If chanting is pure, offenseless, definitely you will get Krishna prema. Do you understand? That is goal of life, isn't it? That's the goal of human life. Durlabha manusa dharma. Then premamruta swadana. Then we will realize premamruta, nectar of prema. Understand? Krishna prapti premamruta samudre bhajana. Then you will get Krishna. Then you drown yourself completely in the nectarian ocean of prema. Understand? Completely drowned. Yes? This is the result of Sankirtana, Baba. Kali Yuga, this is the only. Jagyana tapa karma no tajyam. Gita says, Krishna says, cannot be given up. Pavanani manishena. Third canto, I mean say third chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Jagya sishtasina santaho muchyante sarvakeli visai bhunjate titumagam papa je panchanti atma karanat. See, what Gita says, read Gita very minutely. Understand? Sudhanidhi, yes. Everything is there in Gita. Jagya sishtasina santo muchyante sarvakeli visai 3:13.
The devotees of the Lord are released from all kinds of sins because they eat food which is offered first for sacrifice.
Yes.
Others who prepare food for personal sense enjoyment verily eat only sin.
Only sin. Who cooks for himself and eats, he won't eat sin. Therefore I say everybody is consciously or unconsciously committing sin, isn't it? Who is not committing, who is cooking for himself and eating himself, cooking for his family and family eating, not giving to Krishna, not distributing prasad distribution. So he is eating sin. Understand? Gita says. How will be free from this sinful reaction? Unless you do yajna. The fire of yajna will burn all your sinful reactions. Do you understand? Completely sacrifice yourself in that 7-tongued Sankirtana yajna. Then all sinful reaction, all impurities will burnt. Then come out, pure Sudhanidhi come out now. Isn't it? Or how can he do? Put him in that fire, put him in the fire. Take him and drown. Swaha. Great fire coming, put him there. Impurities will be burnt out, then pure Sudhanidhi will come out, then will lead Namananda Sankirtana party throughout the world. Pray, destroy all sinful reaction. Huh? You understand? So, all right, very long topic. Are you impatient? Impatient? No? They are impatient. Go to their job. No? No, no. Very good, very good. All right. Yes. So, 5 places there. Everybody commits prani hatya, killing animal. Killing animal is pap. Isn't it? Huh? 5 places. Everybody is killing animals. That pap. How he'll be free from that sinful reactions unless he jagya. Does jagya. What are 5 places? Huh? You know? Daily, everybody doing.
By fire?
Yes.
For cooking?
Yes.
When drinking?
Udukhala. First is Udukhala. Do you follow? Udukhala means...
Collecting the grains in the field.
Huh?
Collecting the grains in the field. In India, when they collect the rice.
Grinding mortar. Grinding mortar. That is known as Udukhala. Mother Jasoda bound Krishna with a grinding mortar. Huh? You understand? Some insects, little germs once inside that pressed and dead. Isn't it? In a grinding mortar. Huh? Do you understand? And also you prepare the paste of some spices. You use this, what do you say? No, in India, piece of stone is there. Shripa, then you, do you understand? Shila? That is also called Udukhala. And so underneath, tiny jivas are there, some insects are germs once, they are pressed and dead. Everybody daily does that thing, then he kills animal. This first place, Udukhala. Then Jata. Then when you are walking, by the press of food, so many are killed. Tiny jivas, some ants are there, some insects are there, some germs, worms are there. Is not killed? Daily, everybody killing. Yes. Therefore, Jada Bharat, when Raja Rahugana engaged Jada Bharat to carry Palan coin, you are very careful not to step. Any ant or tiny jiva may be killed. Is very. Therefore, it was uneven. The Rahugana became angry. Do you understand? And everybody is killing when coming, walking, driving your car, so many are killed. Is not? You said, I am not walking, but a driving car, 4 cars or 4 wheels, all killing so much. Isn't it? Committing, pap. Second place, fireplace, I say, fireplace. When you burn fire for cooking, so many killed. Tiny insects, germs, worms, isn't it? Third place, fourth place, water pot. You have put water in big pot, and you pour water, you then pressed. Some are there underneath water pot, they are pressed. Little tiny insects, germs, they are killed. That is, fourth place. Fifth place, samarjani, when you are broomstick, cleaning. So many are killed. Daily 5 places of animal killing. Everybody does. Isn't it? How will be free from sinful reaction? He is killing animals. Then prescription is 5 jagyas. Shastra says. Then everybody daily should do 5 jagyas. 5 places killing, 5 jagyas. What are those? Bolo. Sudhanidhi, bolo. Daiva jagyam, bhuta jagyam, pitru jagyam, tadhaivata. Manusyam brahma jagyam cha pancha jagyana pasakyate. 5 jagyas. Understand? Daiva jagyam, deva jagyam. Do you understand? Search for devatas. Daiva jagyam, bhuta jagyam. satisfy all the animals. Do you follow? Bhuta Jagyam, Pitru Jagyam, satisfy the forefathers. Jagyam for satisfying forefathers. Pitru Jagyam, Manusyam, Manus Jagyam, Atithi Jagyam. That is Atithi Jagyam. You are a Grihastha. Atithi will come, guest will come to your house without prior notice. Alarness, sudden arrives. And that's the duty of a Grihastha householder. He should take care of the guest. He should think guest Narayana. Shastra says, Mahaprabhu said, that is Grihastha Dharma. Atithi Narayana. Give him a nice seat, prepare nice food, give all nice treatment, satisfy him. That is Atithi Jagya. Manus Jagya, Nru Jagya. Do you understand? Then Brahma Jagyam. Brahma Jagya means Adhyapana. Adhyana Adhyapana. You should go to Guru Gruha, read Veda and teach Veda. That is Brahma Jagya. Understand? This is Brahma Jagya. Then these are 5 Jagyans. You follow? Daily. Because 5 places you kill animals. You commit sinful activity. To free yourself from sinful reaction, you have to do daily 5 Jagyans. These 5 Jagyans. Brahma Jagya, Pitru Jagya, Deva Jagya, Bhuta Jagya, Atithi Jagya, Nuru Jagya. All right? It is stated. Grihastha will cook food. Yes. Do you understand? Grihastha will cook food, offer Krishna. Then, what will do? Any guest is there, first he should feed him. Any guest is there. Understand? Then, he will also put something aside for animals there. Some animals are there inside the house. Yes, isn't it? Cockroaches are there, mosquitoes are there, bugs may be there. Isn't it? Rats are there. Yes, some animals. And outside crows are there. Dogs, everybody gives a dog here, but domestic animal is cow. There's some animals there because you are dependent on animals. And yes, though you are indebted to them. Yes. Therefore you have to do Bhuta Jagya. This prescription is there. He should put some amount of food outside. His house. This is for animals, this is forefathers also. Pitru Jagya, Pitru Tarpana. Understand? And then we'll go out to the street and 3 times call. Is there anybody unfed? Not got on food? Food is available, please come and take. Call 3 times. Somebody come, then we'll give it. Then what are remnants? Then you eat. This is Jagya. Understand? This prescription is there. Yes. You know King Rantideva, 9th canto. How he gave everything after 40 days of fasting. That story is there. This is prescription. Bhagavata says, Prabhupada says, this Bhagavata speaks all these things. Ascertained in the Bhagavatam. This teaching of Bhagavata. Understand? So, this is Bhuta Jagya, Atithi Seva. 5 Jagyas. Because 5 places he kills animals. This is prescription. 5 Jagyas daily he should do. Who is doing? Then I will be free from this sinful reaction. But he will do Sankirtana Jagya, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Do you understand? This is everything. Do you understand? This is everything. Thereby, all are pleased. Supreme Personality of Godhead is pleased for his satisfaction. Just means to stay Jagat Tusta. This is Jagya, purpose Jagya, to please him. Just means to stay Jagat Tusta. If Supreme Personal Godhead is pleased, everybody will be pleased. When the Sankirtan Jagya pleases the Supreme Lord, everybody is pleased. You understand? He does good to one and all. One and all. Pasu pakhi kito patanga bodite na pare. Sunile ho tara tore. Human being, they can hear and utter. Prabhupada came with pair of kartal, chanted Hare Krishna, went to park, That park is here. Chanted loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Loudly chanted. Felt the atmosphere, transcendental sound vibration. Yes, it pleased Krishna. Please, Krishna is attractive. His katha, his name is also attractive. Chant pure name. Many, all will be attracted. Hippies rolling. The ground half naked. Naked hippies, beards, hairs, big, long beards, hair, drugs, intoxicated. Get up. Oh, they get up. And it touched their ear, transcendental sound vibration got up. Do you understand? Oh, then they came to Prabhupada. That first you hear. Sadhu is chanting, first you hear. Then Prabhupada says, chant, chant, chant. Then you repeat. They started chanting, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Supreme Personal Godhead is pleased. Everybody is pleased. The hippies become pleased. The hippies become happy. Yes. Understand? This is the process. That is the purpose of Yajna. Who does Nama Yajna? He pleases everybody. No more. He distributes prasad, Krishna prasad also. Distributes the nectarian mellow emanating from holy name, Namamrito, Namanando, party, you will distribute it. Understand? Sudhanidhi. Taste it. Mahaprabhu is tasting and distributing. That is Mahaprabhu Sankirtan. So, his forefathers are pleased, every living entity is pleased, everybody is pleased, everybody is pleased. No need of doing it. These 5 yajnas daily for it. Otherwise, one must do. 5 places killing animals, you must do. Do you understand? This is prescription. So let me stop here. Now 10. Then I'll continue my speech in the evening. And if I can finish it, on next day I may. It will take days together, so many things. So many is there, yes. Thank you very much. Prabhupada Ji Maharaj ki jai. Samaveta Bhakta Vrinda ki jai. Avatar, you got something little?
Of religious principle is truthfulness.
Yes.
And like
Krishna is supreme truth.
And like in Russia, where they have denied the principle of God consciousness, there's no more truthfulness. And even amongst devotees, there's so much lying. I heard it's very.
Are Baba, Krishna is supreme truth. Krishna is absolute truth. So, that is truthfulness. Parama Satya, Chirantara Satya, Nitya Satya is Krishna. So, Krishna Nam is truth. Krishna is truth. Supreme. His name is truth. Katha is truth. So, why are you lying? Not following. Lying. We speak about supreme truth. Absolute truth. So, no truth. Chalo, sir.
You will use that.
Understand? Sadananda.
Also expected from us, and when devotees did and they used some tactics which were people were thinking that's cheating, like getting a bigger bill from people for a
That's
book.
not cheating. That is truth. We are bringing him to supreme truth.
Yeah.
Yes.
But when the devotees were using tricks and that got on camera, and people didn't like it, and we got bad PR because of that.
Bad
Like-
public relations.
Yeah, bad public relations.
What?
Like devotees, they would give a book and ask for a big bill to give some change, and then they would keep the big
No,
bill.
don't do it.
Things like this.
No, don't do it. Don't do that cheating. Somehow, cheat him, let him take one book. That's all right. Give some money. He might have spent it in sinful activity. We saved him from. That's not untruth. That is truth. We are attracting to the supreme truth. But give some, but you don't give change. That's cheating. Don't do it. That's not allowed. Then nobody will take book from, nobody will come to you. Well, we're great cheaters. Do like that. That's not good. But somehow we'll reach him, say something, Anyhow, let him take one book and give some money. That's good. Because you would have spent that money in simple activity. They will serve him.
Yes.
And he took Gita or Bhagavata, he gets such mercy. It's Kripa. Bhagavata is not a mere book, it's Bhagavan. You get mercy. Yes. Sadhu Shastra Kripaয় যদি কৃষ্ণ উন্মুখ হয় সেই জীব তরয় মায়া চাক ছাড়ায় সাধু has কৃপা গ্রন্থ Bhagavad Shastra has কৃপা. He takes, he gets কৃপা. Yeah.
Prabhupada would say if they just read one line,
Yeah.
it change their whole life.
If they keep book Bhagavata in their book, they get mercy.
Right.
Someday will come, he look, hey, one book I've got. What is that? Open the book, read one line. Oh, Sasti. I say, the ass is carrying heavy load. So the day he carries this load of sandalwood, nice sandalwood. Oh, nice load I am carrying. So he gets like that. That is Kripa. That's Kripa.
So even people don't know what is religion, but
Yeah.
when we present ourselves as religious people, we do something wrong, the first thing they always point out is some untruthfulness. They try to find some cheating in us. That's always something we seem to have problem with. People don't know what is religion, but they have a sense it must be truthfulness. So when we present ourselves in any way that's not very truthful, they always point it out to us.
And Gita and Bhagavata, that is the real truth. Yes, they don't know truth. They don't know what is real religion. Therefore, foolish people, I say, dharma nirapeksha, secular state. Dharma is to remain naked. What is this nonsense? I quoted Bhakti Siddhanta, how he became angry. You have been cheated. In the desert you see mirrors. Then you say there is no water. What is this? You have seen a glowworm? And say, well, there is some light, there is no burning. What is this nonsense? No, real water should be searched. Real dharma should be shown. You understand? That's not cheating. We are not cheating. We are bringing him to the real path. Yes, to the supreme truth. Real Satya. Yes. They cannot understand, but gradually they will understand. If they come in contact with the sadhu, yes, gradually they will understand. In the beginning they may not understand, yes. Gradually they will understand. In the past, at that when the past Prabhupada didn't speak anything, only chanted.
Yes.
I said that thing. Shraddha ino jane naam upadesh, that is aparadh. First inculcate Shraddha first. When you develop Shraddha, then speak about philosophy, tattva. Not speak any tattva first. First develop Shraddha, inculcate Shraddha into them. How sadhu does. Ucha sankirtani kori Shraddha pradhar, Mahaprabhu's instruction. You first go out, some devotees congregate, you do loud kirtan. Touches the transcendental sound vibration there, ear. Hippies awakened, intoxicated awakened. Do you understand? Thereby he inculcated Shraddha first. Faith in this holy name. First here, then Prabhupada chant first. Then gradually speaks, do this, not do. He gives letter. First only loud chant. Thereby let it touch, pure. Then they will awaken. Krishna in the heart awakened.
How much Sankirtan do we have to perform till we can see some change? We only go maybe for 1 or 2 hours. In a different city, 1 or 2 hours.
I told him, so what Sankirtan do? Go out, chant day and night.
Non-stop.
When Prabhupada
First he will be first burnt. I put him in the Sankirtan Mahajajna. Swaha. Sudhanidhi Swaha. All impurities burnt out. And still pure Sudhanidhi come out, then go out. Yeah.
when Prabhupada first started ISKCON, there were hardly any grihastas, all brahmachari, so they were doing Harinam Sankirtan for 8 hours every day.
Fasting is that needed, fasting. Now, how the Chitta Suddhi, how that heart will feel. First is Chitta Suddhi. Now become lazy. They have become lazy. Yes, how to lead comfortable life. This thing going on. Oh, thank you so much. He sent me alone, no money, no man. and gave me, you'll do this, do this, do this, do this. Huh? So I don't know anything. I don't know how to push cycle. I'm just walking. Yes. I'm walking, going. One stick I have, danda. And one scorching heat, one turban like this. walking in the sun, scorching heat of the sun. Going, chanting also. Yeah, somebody comes, 2-3 persons, come, chant. Then stand preaching. In this way I first started it. Then I'll come back at 12, after 12, then I'll cook myself. Prabhupada said, cook your food with your own hand. I have to cook. Then I cook, I took 1 meal a day. Such life I had. Already led such life. Yes. You cannot imagine, Baba. Yes. Understand? So, I'm only walking, I'm going.
What about countries like China? You know, they're a communist country. If you do Harinam Sankirtan, the communist government will put you in prison.
Ban is there also.
So they
Sometimes in Russia there are bans. Now it is open. You tolerate it.
But now some places are closing.
Yes.
They're getting devotees have gotten.
Yeah. How many years they are put in this jail in Russia? Suffer so much. So, for real love for Krishna, suffer. Yeah. Finish your life. You want comforts. You are afraid of it. You are afraid of it. Why are you afraid? Krishna is there, why are you afraid? All right, put me into jail. All right, I'll sit there and stand up only. Yes.